Hey, a client recently asked, how do I get more comfortable on discovery calls? So the reason why I made this video is just to, answer that question in case anybody else in my community has that question. So for me, how I started getting more comfortable on discovery calls, and it came down to the golden rule. So don't do anything that you would not like to be done to you. Basically, I don't use any pressure. I don't even think about talking about the sale. The only thing that I really care about when I do a discovery call is understanding whether or not I can actually help the person. So it ends up a lot of my clients, when they either see a live call, or when they actually hear back the call that they did, when I was actually doing the call with them, they are like, wow, that was a lot, that was really conversational. It didn't seem like you were selling me anything. All it was just us talking about how I can actually solve my problem. And I'm like, yeah, exactly. That is what a discovery call is about. It's about communicating what's going on in your life, where you want to go, and then me seeing exactly whether or not I can help you and explaining the steps that are involved with us going and getting the result that you want. So hopefully that helps. Just relax. Don't do anything that you wouldn't want someone to do to you, whether that's pressure, whether that's asking questions, and you will be a lot more comfortable during them. Oh yeah, also, last week I released a free training. I don't know if you've checked it out yet. Some of the people who have gone through have been saying that they've gotten great results from it. I know when I was implementing these tips in my own life and in my own coaching business, it really helped, and it really allowed me to take my life to the next level and not have to worry about where my ideal client was, and not having to worry about whether or not I would have enough ideal clients to be able to pay my bills and be able to have a fulfilling career as a coach. So go ahead, check that out. There's gonna be a link in the description below. Talk to you guys soon. Hope you liked the video. Talk to you later.